Go.
Hey, what you doing?
I'm playing my Pokemon Ranger.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm reading the dictionary. My third one for tonight.
What page?
683.
Awesome!
Hey, let's go!
From nerd to gangster.
No,
Get out here, yo! Yo, what's up? My name is Fizzle the Hizzle the Drizzle off the Hizzle. Yo, my name is... Yo, what's up? My name is... Jim. We're gonna teach you how to be a straight up gangster. We're not gonna be like nerds like this people that were just here.
Yeah.
Alright, first, you gotta be cool and you gotta pose like this. Yeah.
Let me try.
Yeah. Get out of here. Yeah. This, yo.
My
Whenever
glasses.
nerds come by, you always gotta beat them up. Like, yeah. Like, see this nerd coming here? Get him on.
All right, done. Let's go watch it. Turn it off.
Wait, you can watch it right here.
Now let's do part 2.
No, that's good.